Assalamualaikum. Today we will bake red velvet cake. It's very easy, you definitely bake it. First of all, take a bowl, add 1 and a 1/4 cup all-purpose flour to it. We are making cake flour, so remove 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour from it. In this, add 3 tablespoons corn flour. Mix it well. After mixing, sieve it and keep ready in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Add half teaspoon baking soda. Mix it once. Mix it properly. Cake flour is ready now. Keep aside. Take another bowl. Add 1/4 cup clarified butter to it. Beat it well with beater till it gets soft. You can use hand mix also or spoon for mixing purpose. Now add half teaspoon salt. Now add half cup plus 1/4 cup equals to 3/4 cup. Total 3/4 cup powder sugar to it. Now beat it nicely till it becomes bulkier and whiter. See, like this, it becomes whiter, soft and bulkier now. Now add 1 beaten egg. First separately beat egg and then pour it to the batter. Again mix it well once. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon red gel food color to it. Beat it nicely for 1 minute. Make buttermilk ready first. Take a bowl, add 1/4 cup milk, add 1.5 teaspoon white vinegar to it, mix it well and then pour it to the cake batter. Now mix it with spoon. Now by adding little cake flour to the mixture, we will mix it. Continuously mix it in a one direction. Fold it to the same direction with spoon. Now add 1/4 cup milk to it and mix it well. The cake batter is ready now. Keep aside. I had used a 8 cm heart-shaped cake tin. Grease this cake tin. Brush it with oil all over the cake tin. Put heart-shaped butter paper inside to the base. Again, brush some oil on the butter paper from upside and put cake batter in tin. Tap tin 2 to 3 times. Take a big vessel with lid. Preheat for 10 minutes on medium-high flame. Put like this stand inside in the big vessel. Carefully keep cake tin inside. Close lid and bake for around 1 hour on medium flame. Till we'll make whipped cream. For that, take 1 cup whipping cream in a bowl. Whip it till it becomes double in quantity with the beater. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence and whip it till it becomes stiff thick. Like this, whipped cream is ready now. Keep aside. After 1 hour later, check cake with wooden stick. If it comes clean, it means it baked. Check it. It's clean. Our cake is baked. Now remove it and let it cool down completely at room temperature. After getting cool, release with knife all its edges from sides. Keep plate on it and turn it. Flip it and remove the cake easily. Tap once and remove it. Now cut cake in 3 pieces equally. Now take cake board or a plate, place some 1 tablespoon whipped cream on the base and stick cake on it. Make sugar syrup, half cup hot water and 2 tablespoons sugar powder. Mix it and keep aside. Now we will make first layer. For that, brush some sugar syrup on cake all over nicely. Coat with whipped cream on the cake like this. Now put second layer of cake. Again spread sugar syrup on it and spread cream layer on cake. Second layer is also ready. Now put third layer of cake carefully. Spread sugar syrup on cake. Now spread cream on last layer of the cake. Now coat all full cake with whipped cream. With the help of tissue, clean plate from sides. Keep cake in the fridge for half an hour to get cold. Use star nozzle to the piping bag, fill it with whipped cream and keep aside like this. After half an hour or 1 hour later, remove cake from fridge. Again coat all cake with white whipped cream. Like this, coat with spoon with very light hand. Now make like this designs from the piping bag with star nozzle. Just drag and release. Take one piece of milk chocolate, grate it and sprinkle on the cake in the middle. Mix half white whipped cream and half red color whipped cream. Mix it and put star nozzle to it. Drag, press and release. Same method like this and decorate our cake sides from it. Decorate it on the middle of the cake with some choco chip sprinkles and put some golden pearl sprinkles on the sides of the cake. To watch our videos first, click on the bell icon. If you like my recipes, please click on the like button. Share it with your family and friends. Red velvet cake is ready now. Just bake it and serve it on any occasions. And please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Really